All right, class. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and move forward. What we're gonna talk about real quick is we're gonna go over the working problems right now. So I'm gonna show you the screen. Working problems for section 10.3. Okay, I got my calculator right here. We're gonna go through it, try to help you out because today, right now, we're virtual, asynchronous. So let's go through this right here. So this is gonna cover what we've discussed and what you guys taught everybody in class yesterday on the PowerPoint. Let me get the material up right here for accounting for cash and credit and card sales. So you guys will be able to do the problems for textbook for homework. Let's pull this up real quick. So right now, working problem, it says September 3rd, received cash on account from Lindsay Stafford covering sells 216 for 2,189.36 less 2% discount. R's 264. Okay, so R is going to be our receipt number. So we know right now we're going to put in September 3rd. And we know this is for Lindsay Stafford. Stafford. And right here is for S216. Oh no, not S. We're gonna put it's R264, and we don't have to worry about post reference. So what we do is this. Okay, so what we're doing? Let's go pull up a PowerPoint presentation real quick. We skip this. This is just general information, right? That's general information we taught. Okay, no, that's not the one that applies to us in this example. No, this is not the one that applies to us in this example. This is the one that we're looking for. Okay, this is the example that we're looking for here in this class. Cash. And so what we're trying to cover, the 450 less the 2% discount. So we got to solve what that 2% discount is going to be. What that 2% discount is that they're paying us in cash for. What is it? How much are we going to debit in cash? So we know the account receivable amount is going to be, as an example, was the 1450. So if we go back to the working problem over here, it's that accounts receivable credit is going to be 2189.36. Now what we got to do is figure out what that discount is going to be because we got to debit that discount, right? We're crediting it, they're paying us, so we're decreasing. We're getting cash inflow, cash is debit, cash is increase. Sales discount is going to be debit because it's going to apply towards the negative, that negative effect that it's going to happen to accounts receivable. Okay, so we got to know how we're going to decrease it. And so we do that 2189.36 times that by 0.02 for that 2%. I get, now this is going to vary because I get 4 digits on mine, so I'm going to round it. I'm going to say my discount's going to be $43.79. And then we're going to subtract that from our 2189.36, and that's the amount that they're paying in cash. And so that should be 2145. 57, yeah. 2145.57. Okay, so if we add these back up, 43.79 plus 2145.57. I was having, there we go. Yep, 2189.36. I had 4 digits on my calculator, so I had to stop and think about it. Okay, so what are we saying here? Accounts receivable got credited. We billed them for our sale on the 216 invoice for 2189.36. That right there is in sales journal. We're turning around. They're paying us. We're discounting we're giving a sales discount on the payment that they paid of $43.79. That's being applied towards the accounts receivable and it's going to credit. And then we're getting cash. We're receiving cash that's going to be debited in our cash account for $21.45.57, and that adds up the total amount that we're going to be subtracting for accounts receivable and crediting. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so we're going to be hitting up September 6th. Okay, so September 6th, we're talking about cash and credit. Okay, cash and credit, cash and credit. Let's find this cash and credit example. Cash and credit example, right there. Okay, cash and credit. You're gonna place a check mark on the account title. Okay, we got the place the sales credit in, the sales tax credit payable, and we're going to cash debit. Right, so we see everything that's going on. We have the sales. We have those. See, we have our sales that we're crediting. We have our sales tax payable we're crediting, and we have our cash we're debiting. Okay, so that's the example that we see. So let's see. That's how we're going to handle it. Let's move over. Place our check mark. Oh, wrong screen. All right, we got a check mark there. That's going to be our terminal systems. 38. We skip this. Sales credit. All right, sales. Our sales credit is going to be 56.24.45. $289.15. Let's see, we double check. We get the 2280 plus the sales tax. Replace the total and the cash debit. It's the only thing that we're missing to do. Which is going to be, oh, I did that backwards. I put the wrong. 53.26.30 and 56.24.45. Now we move on to the next one. September 8th. We received cash on account. Okay. On account for I have my caps on. There we go. FA. We're going to put it on R265. And we know the amount of $390.34 is what we're putting into our accounts receivable credit. We got to find out what the 2% discount is going to be. So 390.34 times 0.02, That's gonna give us a $7.81, because I'm gonna round it. Sales discounts of $7.81. Subtract that 390.34 minus 7.81, and that's gonna be 382.53. And we'll move on to the next one. We're gonna have a cash credit sale. So we're gonna put September. I need to put September on the one, put them for every single one. Just to have it. And we got Ch10.39. Okay, we have a total of 56.24.45. Our tax is 320.59 and 59.45.04. Then go with the cash debit on the next one, 28. Get for Washington schools. Well, city schools. Make up my S there. That's going to be your R266. And looks like accounts receivable of 1509.45. Looks like there's no discounts, there's no less than. The cash debited should be that amount. That's all. Let me go fix these here. Sixth. And if we go back and check, we can look at our PowerPoint. Okay, we got a check mark on the cash credits on our account titles. Okay. We have the title, the customer's name when we're doing the cash on the cash receipts. Right here, cash receipts on account. Customer's name when we're doing cash receipts. So it looks like we're ready to go. We can save, continue. And come over here, we'll knock out this last one together. Let's do it real quick. We got June 3rd. I'm gonna put my period. Okay. And this is gonna be receive cash on account from Kelly Biller. It's gonna be R408. We're covering that account for cash. Accounts receivable is gonna be 185. We got to find that discount, 185 times 0.02. It's gonna be 370. So we're gonna go to discount for $3.70. We're gonna take the 185 minus, not times, minus the 370. That's gonna give you 181.30. And we can move on to the next one. 5. We're gonna put the check mark in. Ch10.3. I lost my spot. Okay, 2583. Sales tax. $498. 2583. See, I almost made a boo-boo, so I'll spend the sales credit. Caught myself, type in the wrong spot. All right, and 2737.98. We'll go number next line, 7. This is FKT Plumbing. And R409. And we're at 298.20. We gotta find that 2% discount. So 2989.2 times 0.02 is gonna be 59.78. So we're gonna put that discount over here, 59.78. Subtract that from our original amount in our accounts receivable. That's going to give us a 29.42. Okay, let's move on. Number 12, Roberts College. Okay, that's going to be R410. We're going to put cash received on account, so 81.60. Go over here, 381.60. Number 18, the last one. Yeah, let's put the check mark in. TS 24. Bump it, sales. We're at 3825.30. Our sales tax is 22.52, which should total out to 4054.82. That's it, we're done. We got our check marks, we got sales credit, our sales tax credits, add those totaled out. Accounts receivable credits, they add up, they balance. We can save and continue. Come over here, double check, make sure I didn't type in the wrong spot. Oh, okay, we got sales credit, those balance out, save and continue. If everything looks good, we're done. We can go. We got 100%. That's how you get it done. If you have any questions, comment, leave a message. This will help you out to get Chapter 10, Section 3 working problems done. Have a good day.